don't know these jobs for me, but you've been for a treat again. I've got some leaking waste pipe for one of my customers. He couldn't get no one else to do it. He did phone me up about 3 weeks ago. Asked me to have a look, but I was that busy I couldn't get around to him. He said, don't worry, I found somebody, no problem. And he phones back a week later, says, can you come and have a look, because this bloke ain't showing up. Well, he did show up for the quote, but then he done a runner, blocked the number. I can see why. It's copper waste into asbestos. How do these jobs find me? Anyway, let me show you what we've got to deal with. Yeah, I've got copper waste here, and it has gone. Look at that. Nothing left of it, just corroded. But that's asbestos. Somehow we've got to connect onto these. That feeds a basin, that feeds a bath. It's just completely gone. There's a weird or wonderful plumbing problem within a 10-mile radius of where I live. You can guarantee the customer is going to phone me. I've had some right jobs the last few weeks, and this one is now different when the customer phones up to say all these pipes had rotted. But this job made me break on a rule that I preach on here all the time. But I do explain why. Just bear with me on this one. You can let me have it in the comments afterwards. But yeah, thank you very much for your support. Really appreciate it. Any questions, as always, drop them in the comments. I always do my best to try and get back to everybody. Give the video a like and a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because it really helped me out. So yeah, let's see how we overcome this one and why I break the rules. How do I find these jobs? Alright, let's go and disconnect upstairs and then we'll come back down here. Start cutting this out. This is what we've got to connect onto up here. Got a pedestal. That's copper, so we've got to connect onto that. Underneath here, yep, that's copper. Brass all the way down to there. First thing, let's get that disconnected from the bath and from the pedestal. How easy or hard is it going to be? It's going to be funny. Wow. Nice tight. There we go. That's one off. So we just took that bit off there, and yeah, that's disconnected there. Time to have some fun downstairs now. Fresh blade on the multi-tool. We're just gonna cut straight through there. Alright, that's it. I've just been cutting out these sections, but crap. That bit of copper come out. It just wiggled and vibrated there when I was trying to cut it. However, I was thinking to myself, what about if I just undo that nut and see what's behind it? That's not going to be asbestos, that nut. Let's see what I can come up with. I managed to get the nut off, but the adapter that was in there wouldn't fit, so a rubber off 32mm compression won't fit in there, but I'm going to try and make a seal up with PTFE tape and see if it'll work. I don't know. Ignore that. I'll sort that out. I just tried a quick piece off the fan, but really I want to give them, I don't want 32mm, I want 40mm, but that's all that's going to fit. Right, now wait a sec. I've got somehow getting that off. Oh my god. Wish me luck here. I think that's going to undo. Oh, I've got... No way, this is going to undo, is it? Not a chance. I'm going to get onto me. Right. Oh. Oh. Absolutely no chance. Only one thing for me. Come on, nut. It's not my blade. It's all got swearing. a lot of forks. Oh golly. Oh my god. I am sweating buckets, but it's coming. It's coming. Come on. I try and get that out. Oh, this is so hard, man. I'm going to have to whack it with an hammer. Oh, got it. You were my nemesis. But I have found nothing in plumbing yet that can defeat me. The old flour, yeah, big pair of grips, and it will undo. But as I was doing it, knocked the hot tap on, just flooded all down there. Brilliant. I went to put the plug in. What did you kid? There we go. See how flour it. Yeah, you see there, it goes straight to outside, so I'll just chop that off and put it out in the bin. Champion, absolute. Oh, I'm happy now. Time for a tea break, I think. I've scraped the bottom of that as much as I could. It's how the cleanest in the world. Clean that as much as I can. I've got the new half floor, new waste, new plug to go in. Nice thick rubber seal. But I'm sorry to say it, but I'm going to break my number one rule, and I preach this all the time. What do I say you don't need on waste? Silicone. Guess what I'm going to ram this with? Silicone. Look, this is why. When I've done a job like this before with my mate Wayne, he done a bath waste and he blobbed loads of silicone around it. I said, I'll never use silicone. And he was like, why? So because you don't need it, the next man that comes in, like, it's going to be a nightmare, plus it can delaminate. I said, look at the age of the bath. How long do you think that's going to be in there? It's going to get replaced sooner or later, and guess what? You have a new trap. Trust me, that will do the job for how long that's going to be in there. It says it's going to form an extra seal, it's going to do it, plus you're never going to get all that crap off, and you're going to have a divot or imperfection. It says a cast iron, silicone it. It says, trust me, breakable, silicone it. So I'm listening to my mate Wayne. Yeah, I can't get all that completely smoothly clean underneath now. It's probably the first time you're ever going to see me use silicone on the waste. It just feels wrong, but I need to make sure this seals really do. So let's get it on. Right, just screwing that from the top. Make sure that's facing the way I want it. Get that fully compressed. Oh, that horrible silicone. Oh, nice and tight. There we go. New wasting. Right, outflow all in, waste all in, silicone up good. But I need to make sure I've got no leaks on this. This is my plan. These are the old pipes. What I'm going to do is just mock up what I need. So that's about the length that I need up there. That's about the length I need off there. I just took it off that pipe, and then try and feed it through and clip it as much as I can. Then come down on the fall there. There ain't going to be much of a fall on it because it's near enough on the ceiling there, but I don't really want to put much strain on that stack, so I'll make it up, clip it to the wall, get it into there, then we'll be back upstairs in a minute. Bit of a snap. The hole that goes down there ain't big enough, so I'm going to try and get in the back of here. Make that hole bigger. Oh, make it just bang on. So I hope that ain't a joist. I'm going to have to make that hole bigger. Oh no, we're alright. We're alright. So yeah, that's my plan. Is to put it up. I'm just going to mark the pipes now. I'll just put a line there and line there, so I can glue it out of position. So all I've got to do then is just line the lines back up, and yeah, that should be good to go. I don't know how this works. Go on. Right, get through there. Get through there. T. Oh, fucking thing. I ain't got the tea. It's fucking wonky anyway. So, well, I had to cut it. I cut it in a panic thinking, oh God, I've got to move it. But actually, I took some more of the ceiling net and it actually went in, so I've had to put a couple in. Don't look the best, but it's in. I'm just worried about that joint there. Really worried about it, but it's 32. It's 40 down to 32, but the way a lot I can do, at least the bath's in 40. That's 32 up to there. That's the most I can do down here. I think what we'll do is connect the bath, give it a run, see what happens with that. I've done this right. I'm just going to cut this in. That should be beautiful. Right, let's get that glued in. Plenty on now, don't this leaking. Solvent wells cheap, leaks are expensive. Plumber's Parks taught me that. He said it a few times on his videos. And it's very, very true. James, right. There we go. Here you want. Not a lot of time, not much in the right position. Yeah, that should do it. And we are on. Oh, beautiful. Access on there. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. Moment of truth, eh? As you can tell from the mass of destruction, the base and pedestal went tits up. I've had to put a brand new plug in, because the other one, I started taking that out and it just disintegrated. So, new trap, new waste. Luckily the pedestal come out. Yeah, push that back now and that's everything connected, thank God. Test this thing. What we'll do is put the tap on really low. Got that leaks there first. Okay, and we'll run downstairs and yeah, take a look at the finger. And make sure that no leaks. So far, so good. Oh, it looks terrible, but at least it works. This will be the big test. Nice big bath full. The leg oil, that oil flow, pull the plug, and see if we get any leaks. I've just done that with the sink. Hey, it looks fine. But yeah, this will be the big one. Here we go. Alright, sure. Looking alright. Silicon's holding up. Hey, it's done a job though. It's done a job. There we go. Oh, these taps are knackered, man. We could do some new ones, man. Yeah, come on, just go in there. Right. Oh, this is the big test. All that. There goes nothing. I'm going to have my quick feet on if it is pissing out everywhere. Yeah, everything's looking fine now. There is a slight leak. There. There's nothing I can do about that. I'm going to have to just bodge it with silicone. Or plumber's mate, but everything else is fine. It is just there. Other than that, it's a brand new stack, and yeah, never mind. But we can get round that. Maybe some plumber's mate silicone and plumber's mate. Yeah, just get it in there. But yeah, you can hear the bath draining. Everything looks good. That seems to be holding up there. Happy days, man. I was so worried about getting something to there, but yeah, well happy I've made sure that. If anybody knows anything you can actually get into that kind of connection, let me know, because nobody I spoke to had a clue. Now I was going to try like a 32mm compression coupler straight into the copper, but you got no chance. The copper was small, man. It's like in between 28 and 32. Weird. But yeah, well happy I got that sorted. Yeah, there you go, all done, all working safely. Put another clip in. Happy days. So there we go, we overcome it in the end. Just a very quick one for all you ones that watched till the end, the 10k giveaway. I've not forgot, I promise you. Now if you didn't know, 10k giveaway is a Velocity Rogue 9.0 service bag. That's come off my own back, but what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to see if I can get any companies or tool brands, anybody like that, just to donate something, then I can give more back to you. If not, someone's going to win a Velocity Rogue 9.0 service bag. I'll do that within the next couple of weeks, ready for you lot to have it in the winter. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Really appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next one.